This is absolutely an arithmetized question. We have x's in the question, we have x's in the answer choices. There is no reason to do this algebraically. Pick a value for x and see how it plays out between the choices and the original question. So normally when we do this, I start with the number 0, and I think you can absolutely use the number 0 for x here. It's very easy. But I just want to show you another way to think about these, because sometimes you might want to pick a different number, a bigger number, because it makes things happen in other ways that might kind of prevent errors for you. So right here, I sense a little danger. Looking at the answer choices, it seems like between B and C, for example, losing a negative might be a problem. I'm a little worried about that. And I do see that if I plugged 0 in, this piece would be -2 over -1 or -2 over -1. It just kind of makes some problems. So I might want to just foresee that that's a potential error and pick a number that's going to fix that. So in this case, let's do something a little different. Let's make x equal to 2. Because if I do that, then this part here, this end part, becomes 2 minus 1. So this really just becomes 2 over 1. So it works out very nicely. Now we still need to kind of do some math with this other piece. So that's going to be 4. And this is going to be 2 times 2 plus 3. So that's 4 plus 3 is 7. So that part's a little messy. But 4/7 minus 2 might be a little easier for you. So let's just see here. So 4/7 minus 2 over 1, and then we use common denominators to finish the job. So that's going to be 4 over 7 minus 14 over 7. So that's -10 over 7. So there you go. That's our magic number. Now that's still kind of a messy number, but one good thing about it is now when we take this 2 and plug it into the answer choices, we might even just see right away some of these choices are the wrong sign, the wrong positive and negative, right? So 2 over 6, no, that's positive. We need a negative number. Same thing here. 2 over 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 plus 3 is still 7, so this is positive, so that doesn't work. Now, C is the same thing. We have the 1 and times 7, but notice this negative is here, so I'm going to put it here so I don't lose it. But this is still not the same thing. This is -2/7, but what we need is -10/7. So hopefully choice D does it, and sure enough, you can see the 10 right there, right? So -10 over 1 times 7 is going to be -10/7, so that's choice D. So it really didn't matter when we started plugging in that we picked a bigger number. It might have still saved us some time and effort there because we didn't have to worry about the negative as much. So arithmetize, it really doesn't matter what number you pick, and generally speaking, you should pick easier numbers. If you don't see any sort of like easiness, just pick 0 or 1, default to the easiest numbers. They're probably fine. But as you get better at the strategy, you might notice different places where different choices can help you out. And this is one where, yeah, I'd probably pick 2 just because I'm a little afraid of losing a negative, and maybe it helped me kind of save it here and get that the right answer is D.